Welcome to 321 School. Today we will look at how we edit and finalize lessons. You can get to this page in two ways, either as step 3 when creating new lessons or from My Content when editing a lesson. In this video we come from the Lesson Builder step 2 where we have created text and tasks about Sir Isaac Newton at CEFR level 2. First we check the information. The highlights at the top seem to be correct. Then we look at the basic information. Most of it can be changed, but not the name of the teacher. Any changes you make can be made now or later. I see one thing, and that is the text type. It says everyday story, but the text is a biography. I'll change that. As for the intro and tags, I usually do it when or after the image is created. Then the next natural step is to insert an image into the lesson. We can choose between uploading an image we have ourselves. It is important that you check the image rights and, if necessary, credit in the basic information. I choose to generate an AI image and choose illustration and ask AI to use the text as inspiration. The generation usually takes from 30 to 45 seconds. While we wait for the image to be created, we can enter other information. On the intro or explanation I can write, for example, famous English people. And on the tags, science. This makes the lesson more searchable on the web. It is important to clarify that all images are in the 16:9 format, and uploaded images are also cropped. This is to give both the library and the lessons a similar expression. The image is now fully generated, and I think it turned out well. The AI has captured the essence of the text, and Sir Isaac Newton is illustrated as we know him. The next step is to set the text and lesson settings. I set this session to 30 minutes, but more time can be calculated with teacher review of text, images and tasks beforehand. We have 3 options for font size: normal, large and extra large. Your choice will be displayed both on the preview here and on the PDF print and digital student display. We recommend a final check of the text. Remember that if you change anything, you must check that the change does not affect any of the tasks. Then all that remains is to check the tasks and change the print fields for open tasks. You can delete, move, or add more tasks if you want both now and later, but always remember to save. The tasks are moved up or down using the arrow keys. You can also change the task and answer option if you want. You can write as long tasks as you want, add criteria such as the number of words in the answer or other wishes and requirements. The size of the answer fields for printing, short, medium or long, you adapt to the task type and how long answers you can expect. Just remember one important thing. If you change anything after a lesson has been published, it must be unpublished after saving and published again. All this happens in My Content, which is the page you are thrown to when you save here. Thank you for following me so far. Good luck with your lessons.
Students, parents too. 3, 2,